Alright, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Arturia Analog Lab V for your Mac M1, M2 and Intel. So let's get started. I got my download from extraplugins.com. It's a really nice website for all your music solutions. They offer lifetime activation and access to download, future-free updates, full version, instant download, and they got 24/7 live chat support as well. In case you're having some issue, they're going to help you right away. So you can check their reviews as well. It's a pretty good website overall. So after you got download, you have to go to this folder and you have to run the software center. Double click and run. You're gonna get the window like this. You need to double click on the key icon and type your Mac password. So the password is hidden, you cannot see it. Just type and hit enter. Just like that, you're gonna get the process completed. After that, just run the Analog Lab V5 and continue and install. Alright, once the installation is completed, close everything and restart your computer real quick. Alright, I'm back after restarting my computer. You can actually start using the software. Let's try this in our DAW. Alright, there we go. We got everything right here. Okay, it's working. Let's try some pianos. This one. Alright, perfect. So everything is working fine, full version with lifetime activation. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm gonna catch you in my next video. Peace.